Troy Hightower started a company to influence young adults to take flight in their education. I'm J. Dockery, Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. Monarch Wings is a nonprofit that is showing upcoming individuals the possibilities to be a pilot and the careers that are surrounding it.
People find out about aviation. This is general aviation. We're talking about the smaller planes. Most people find out about it because their family, their fathers and grandfathers had airplanes or were involved, or they were in the military. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty much word of mouth. Once they go flying, they're like, oh, okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Can we go again?
Troy Hightower tells me his organization was born out of the need for more exposure for the industry. He said his goal is to teach young people about airplanes and airports, how to get jobs at airports, and most importantly, how to fly.
There was nowhere I could go or anybody I could talk to. If I had lots of questions about aviation, but there was no pathways for me to learn more or even to find out what I could do and how to get a job at the airport.
Monarch Wings plans to offer free learning material at its aviation museum for kids 10 and up. He also plans to provide this information to individuals in STEM or after-school programs, hoping that one day one of them will pick up aviation.
So there's a lot of aviation and aerospace in the area, including Palmdale, which is close. And then it really is an attraction that anybody can come to see. That's our plan. But it also will house the Children's Learning Center.
Organizers say Phase 2 of Monarch Wings will be building a new hangar to house the new learning facility and the aviation museum. For 23 ABC, I'm J. Dockery, Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.